Cloud seeding is the artificial modification of the weather, particularly the increase of rainfall using different techniques. The main aim of cloud seeding is to enhance precipitation from clouds. The concept of cloud seeding was introduced after World War II and is used in dry areas where the cloud precipitation efficiency is below unity, less than 1 inch. Cloud seeding experiments were first conducted by 1946 by Vincent J Schafer. Since then, aircraft ground generations, rockets and cannons have been used to conduct cloud seeding. There have been cases where cloud seeding was used as an aid to stop forest fires. One such example is that of Russia. In July 2020, Russian firefighters used cloud seeding to bring rainfall over the wildfires in Siberia. The idea that cloud seeding can indirectly reduce the rainfall in an area has not been substantiated. In fact, according to some reports, there is evidence that cloud seeding in a particular area has increased the rainfall in downwind regions. To learn more about cloud seeding, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.